I agree to seniors. I also everybody be okay. So if you watch my last video, I talk say I did some short, small vacation. I come back to the house, or we come back to Jakarta. As I come, as you say, then come deliver some 3 packages. Then be perfume. So they can unbox them, make you see the perfumes where then come in the mail as a day away on vacation. So this be the first one. Sure say this one be the Rayhaan. So they see through the plastic for you. It be the Rayhaan. Yeah, it be the Rayhaan. This be the Rayhaan. This be Rayhaan Adonis Icarus by Rayhaan. As I read the notes, they say they smell citrusy. As I see the package, I they see some orange. I sure say they smell like orange. So like this be how it did. Like this be the box. This be in back. Get Rayhaan for here, then write Rayhaan for the top there. Where the name they here, Adonis Icarus, then Rayhaan day under. So that be the box. This be the perfume. Oh, Charlie, it be this be the perfume. This be the bottle. Then write Adonis Icarus Rayhaan for front. Where the bottle they look like normal Rayhaan bottles if they use Rayhaan perfumes. Be like you get some number before the back there, but we know see these things so it no concern me. It be magnetic cap too. Where the magnet to Charlie they hold tight. Make a spray then see how the sprayer they then smell how it they like. They smell like orange. It smell like orange. The smell they check like the bottle color now. They smell like orange. I go use some then see how they project, then see how it last long. Then I can do full review about them. So the first perfume be Adonis Icarus by Rayhaan. I'll make you unbox the second one. I should say this one be the myself. Again, if you watch my last video, I talk say I order oneself fragrance world oneself. It be clone of YSL myself. That be the video I do. That be the last video I do. So if you want the full review, go check them out. So this be come out for anybody. So this be oneself. So if you want the full review of this video, that be the last video I do for my channel talk. So go check them out. So oneself, this be how the box they like make her come out this rubber for anybody. So this be how it they like oneself fragrance world oneself. This be the box. Straight they perform 100ml. So yeah, come out, come here. So, yeah, oneself make her come out this trash for you. So oneself fragrance world oneself. Again, I already reviewed this perfume. My first one I tell you for the last video is I say they finished. So I tell you say they order another one. So the new one I order will be come. So if I order second one there, if I know say Charlie this one it a pop. If I know say this perfume it a pop, make her check this one in atomizer. Same thing. Woo, juicy. The third one, make you unbox the third one. This one it be collector, Club de Nuit collector edition. That be what I expect for this one inside. So that be what I order. Oh, then dash me some decant for you. Oh, I talk Club de Nuit, no be Club de Nuit, be Supremacy Collectors Edition. Afnan Supremacy Collectors Edition. Then give me some decants. This is for no marketing. Then dash me some decant before you. This one a decant of what? Oh, 9 p.m. elixir. Yeah, I go check this one out. But make you just see how the Supremacy Collectors Edition the box they like. So this be the box. Collectors edition, make a J the rubber so they go see and clear. This be the front collectors edition. Check like Bible. Supremacy Collector's Edition Afnan. That be what they write for the front. Where then get them a logo for here. Supremacy logo. Where for the side then get some silver something before. Where then write plenty things for the back, Charlie. Nothing there anywhere. Where the top here then write Afnan. Afnan for here. Then they get them a logo for there. Let me see how it open. So this be how it open. So if you open it, this be what it is inside, Charlie. It go on. This perfume I try them before. I try buy plenty decant way today, Charlie. The full bottle can't land. So this be how the bottle they like. Afnan Supremacy Collector's Edition. Me already I know say the pop, but if you want make a do full review for this perfume, make a know for the comment section. So of Charlie, this perfume it a pop, Charlie. Now sent pineapple, Charlie Atami, hey. Collector's Edition. So this be the unboxing I'll do today. 3 perfumes. This be Rayhaan Icarus, Adonis Icarus, Rayhaan Adonis Icarus. Then you go know this one already. One Self by Fragrance World. It they clone YSL myself. This one too, I hear say they clone Louis Vuitton Afternoon Stream, but I know try Afternoon Stream before. Where this be Supremacy Collector's Edition, Charlie. They go on, Charlie. Can't overpower all the perfumes are unboxed today, Charlie. So this be the 3 perfumes I unboxed today. If you want make a do full review of this one, then this make a note for the comment section. Already do the full review of this, so go check my last video. Until my next video, Charlie. You take care.